we searched out something that would be unique and innovative, and through a chance encounter with an individual from Greenfield Ethanol, which happens to be the neighbor across the road of Truly Green, we started a discussion where we would build a 90-acre greenhouse directly across the road of the processing plant of Greenfield Ethanol and be able to use their stream of waste heat and CO2 to build a very innovative, environmentally sustainable operation. In 2012, we built the first phase of 22.5 acres, and then 2015, another 22.5 acres, 2018, the range that we find ourselves in now, and in 2021, we were able to construct a lit phase of 22.5 acres in our final phase 4. Making this project now complete. As we're working at maintaining a very healthy environment for the plants, and as we get into the time that we find ourselves in now as clean out time, it's very important that we have the machinery at place that's reliable, whether it's the biochopper that helps remove all of the plant material, to all the disinfection tools that we have, to the Aquajets that help clean the ceiling and whatnot. It's very important that we can rely on that, and over time we have seen the value in that equipment.
The crop rotation is often a hectic period in which many different operations are carried out. A number of crop rotations activities, such as removing the crop, shredding the crop, removing foil, cleaning the greenhouse and disinfecting the greenhouse, can be done with machines. These machines make the work a lot less labor intensive, improves efficiency, saves time and in the end money. Royal Brinkman provides a complete package for the grower with the right products, knowledge and advice during crop rotation, from ripening of the plant to planting a new crop. Cleaning the greenhouse is of great importance for a hygienic start for the new crop. This is the only way to protect the greenhouse from diseases, bacteria and pests from the old crop to the new crop. After the old crop has been cleared, you can choose to clean and disinfect the pull-out tarps with a tarp washer. Soil and stubborn dirt are removed from the cover by means of brushes, scrapers and sprayers. This kills the diseases, bacteria and viruses. Disinfecting the tarp is especially important if you put the clean-out tarp in the greenhouse at the beginning of the crop, or if you use it for several growing seasons.
So now that we use tarps in a conveyor system, we're able to take it out and then we can clean those tarps and have them ready to reuse again. And so re-rolling even our black tarps for clean out, we know that they're disinfected and ready to go for the next clean out, and we're not bringing disease back again that perhaps we had in previous seasons. So with the tarp washer, we always have a challenge between clean out and then planting the crop and starting our first leaf. We don't have the tarps ready. Every single year the same problem comes. And honestly, 2 guys on 1 unit, we feel we could better use 2 guys on 2 units and keep them loading while the tarp is cleaning. So it made complete sense when we added the 4th phase to add another tarp washer, and then when we use more tarps we would have more capacity to put them through.
Well-cleaned glass allows more light into the greenhouse. The guideline is 1% more light gives 1% more production. Therefore, you should clean the glass off the greenhouse regularly, from the inside as well as from the outside. The best time to do this is when changing crops, because then you don't have to take the crop into account. The inside of your greenhouse can also be covered by debris like dust, algae and other types of pollution. With a glass cleaner, you can remove this dirt. This can be done manually, but as well with an Aquaet. An Aquaet cleaner rides over the pipe rail system and contains a spray mast to distribute the detergent. Truly Green Farms has 5 Aquajets. The Aquaet is a powerful plug-and-play pipe rail trolley equipped with hose reel and height-adjustable mast with 2 powerful sprayers. With the Aquaet, you can quickly and thoroughly clean the greenhouse interior during crop rotation, allowing you to start the greenhouse growing season in a shiny and clean greenhouse.
So in every aspect of the cleanout, we've had to really improve efficiencies, and that's been the #1 goal. And then also the efficacy of the sanitation process with the viruses that are now in the industry that we're facing. It's really challenging. So we needed something that could reach the complete structure. So we have a smaller poly house that we used before, and we could use an older machine that reached the whole greenhouse. But now we needed something larger and also faster and more reliable again to be able to meet those deadlines. So the AquaJet helps a lot. We're able to cover the ground very quickly. We do have 5 of the units.
We have enjoyed a very good, long relationship with Royal Brinkman, and we enjoy working with the people of Royal Brinkman, and the equipment that they sell are of top quality, and that's very, very important for us. It's important that the machinery we use is efficient and effective, and when it comes to the products that we've purchased from Royal Brinkman over a period of time, it starts really at the front door. You go through the boot scrubber, with the impact of viruses and biosecurity becoming very important. It's very necessary to have something like a boot scrubber to add to that biosecurity, so that we can maintain the integrity of what we have growing here in this greenhouse operation. We saw the efficiency to amp up the volume of equipment we have, so that we can get across those square meters as efficient as possible.